All right, today we're going to look at Lesson 4, Shapes and Parameters in code.org. So our very first activity for Lesson 4 is a prediction. So we have a couple new blocks here. We have the same rectangle block, but you notice we added 2 extra areas here. We actually call those parameters. I talk about that right up here. And basically what parameters are is it allows us to pass information or details about something to the program. So for this one, the rectangle is going to be 100, 100. We know those are the X and Y location. But then the next two we're really not sure about. And so what we want to do is kind of predict what these next two are going to be. Well, if we think about a shape, a rectangle, a square, you know, we obviously want to know the location of it, but we also want to know like the dimensions of it. And so this could definitely be height and width. It could be width and height. But these definitely would be relevant things that could be what we would see from a rectangle is the height and the width. So that's what I'm going to say here is this could be the height and the width. The new parameters. Goodness. We'll go with height and width. Okay. And so that's probably what's going to end up happening here. And if I hit run, and look at that. Now, if I wanted to change these, the blue one right here is 100 by 200. Let's just, oh, it won't let me change it. I would imagine if I changed this and added more to it, it would change it. Now, it could be that this is the width and the height. But we'll kind of see that in the next activity and see what these are. But looks like these are height and width. Okay, hopefully that helps you a little bit with your coding knowledge.